Today we're taking a closer look at RevivaGlow, a revolutionary supplement that's quickly gaining popularity as a solution for those seeking to improve the health and appearance of their skin. As we age, our body's ability to produce collagen and elastin naturally decreases, which can result in wrinkles, sagging, and a loss of skin firmness. If you've noticed that your skin has become duller, with more visible signs of aging and a loss of elasticity, RevivaGlow might be the answer you're looking for. Before we go further, it's important to note that the link to purchase the product is provided in the description and pinned comment below. RevivaGlow is not available on platforms like eBay or Amazon, so to ensure you're getting the authentic product and avoid counterfeits, make sure to purchase only through the official link. As time goes by, the visible changes in our skin can be discouraging. Looking in the mirror and seeing a lack of vibrancy or noticing the appearance of wrinkles can impact your self-esteem and confidence. Many of us try various creams and treatments, but often what's needed is something that works from the inside out. RevivaGlow was designed to specifically help restore your skin's firmness and elasticity by boosting collagen and elastin production. The formula contains natural ingredients like folate, biotin, and vitamin B12. All of which work together to hydrate your skin and promote a healthy glow. With consistent use, you may notice significant improvements in your skin's texture and firmness in just a few weeks, giving you a more youthful and rejuvenated appearance. To purchase RevivaGlow, just click the link in the description or pinned comment. We highly recommend buying only through the official link to avoid the risks of counterfeit products. What makes RevivaGlow even more attractive is its 60-day money-back guarantee. This means you can try the product risk-free, and if you're not satisfied with the results, you can simply contact the company for a full refund. This reflects the brand's confidence in its product's effectiveness, making RevivaGlow a smart choice for both your skin and your self-confidence. For the best results, remember to make your purchase only through the official link to ensure you receive the genuine product and all of its promised benefits. Click the link now and begin your journey toward healthier, firmer, and more radiant skin.